Hello, and welcome to your training course to show you the correct application of Rose Mai Poly Gel. My name's Alison Mumford. I'm a highly experienced, fully qualified nail technician, ready to take you through all the steps to get salon quality nails in the comfort of your own home. Having used mainly acrylic and UV gel polish for most of my nail tech life, I was excited to try this new method, and Rose Mai Poly Gel didn't disappoint. Let's get started by having a look through the starter kit. What everything is, what it's used for, the benefits of using Rose Mai Poly Gel over other forms of nail extensions. For me personally, when I was a student, the thing I struggled with most was ratio. The beauty of Rose Mai Poly Gel is that you don't need to find the perfect ratio between liquid and powder. It's already done for you and sat in these really handy tubes. You have 4 tubes in your starter kit, a gorgeous bright white, a natural bare peach, pastel pink, and my most favourite, clear. That might sound odd, but there are so many exciting designs you can do when you have a high quality clear gel. And let's not forget about the 23 different colours of polygel, including temperature changing ones that Rose Mai Beauty has. Once you've got the bug of doing your own nails, you can order as many different colours as you like and really get creative with your designs, which of course we want to see on our Instagram and Facebook pages, so please don't forget to tag us in. Another huge benefit of polygel over acrylic is that polygel doesn't set until you put it under this really cute mini LED lamp. The lamp comes with a USB plug, so you can plug it in anywhere. The fact it doesn't cure until it's under the lamp means that you can really play around with it, mix your colours and get your nail absolutely perfect before setting it. And if you are a little worried about the gel moving around before you set it, Rose Mai have included this handy little clip with your kit, which will hold everything in place without hindering your setting time. Something to note here is that most nail techs have found out the hard way that UV polish, polygel, set in UV light. So you need to make sure when you're doing your nails, you're not sat in direct sunlight and that the tubes are facing away from your lamp when you're curing your nails. Otherwise, it could set in the tubes and set before you're ready. Also included in your kit are the all-important base and top coats. They do exactly as you would imagine. One is for your nail plate before your polygel, and the other is to pop on top of your nail to keep it super shiny. You'll also have noticed that in your kit you have a starter bottle of slip solution. Major benefit of slip solution is that it doesn't have a strong pungent smell like acrylic monomers do. So you can do your nails headache-free. You will see exactly how this solution is used as we move through the training course. The magical liquid will help you shape your nails without getting any product stuck in your brush. Speaking of which, the kit comes with a very sleek, double-sided dual brush and spatula, which you will spend a lot of time using, not forgetting an all-important nail file for smoothing those free edges and cuticle areas. Now I'm just going to tidy up this area before we take a look at the classic jewel forms which are used for creating your perfect nail. Last but no means least, you have a box of jewel forms. Rose Mai has kindly included 12 different sizes in the box for you. There are 10 in each section, which means you have plenty to choose from to get your perfect combination nails. As we open the box, you can see the 12 sections. Every form has a different number printed onto the top from 0. I will show you how to use these forms properly as we go through the course, but these forms are what create the perfect nail shape, so it's really important that you select the correct size for each of your nails. You may not get it right first time, but once you know what the number is for each of your nails, then you will get perfect nails every time. Jewel forms aren't the only way of creating a nail extension. Rose Mai Poly Gel, you can also use something known in the industry as a paper form. Now these don't come in your starter kit, but they are available to order on the website. We will show you how to use these properly as we move through the course.